Friggin' rights, boys. Part stick came, got my belt, got my taunts in there. So hopefully we can get on that. We got the E-test stick coming today for the 97. So we'll get him fired up. I gotta put them rims in the shipping container that are in the back anyways, dumb ones. But we should have a good Santis at the shipping container too and see how bad it is. Oh, there it goes. There's the chooch factor. Takes a sec to friggin' stovepipe, that's all. Smoke's out the parking lot. What's up with this truck? Anyways, fucking smoke's out the parking lot. Put the first 100 kilometers onto it yesterday. We did. Hey? So just grabbed my little tool there, stabbed it down. Got the belt off. This thing's friggin' awesome. Struggle away like an asshole a few fucking times, and that makes this thing freaking worth it, or is frig. But I mean, you can make one pretty easy too. But yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to make it out or not. But okay, so that's it. No good. So we'll just fucking claw that out of there, claw the new one in, hopefully route the belt without too many difficulties. But Inwood Customs, you know how it is, probably drop a bunch of shit down that friggin' drain, and it'll be awesome. I should put a piece of plywood over that right now, matter of fact. Whew. Oh my goodness, that's a good one. But idler pulley into position, new belt. I ended up taking the tensioner pulley off. Just one, what is it? I guess it's a 1/2 inch bolt at the end there, and just pulled that off. Otherwise, it's really much a pain in the ass to get that belt in behind there. But yeah. Should be copacetic. Got the new pulley, got the new belt, got the old belt off. Hey, got the old belt off. What happened? But I'll just chuck the intake back on there and fire it up, and hopefully she stays together. And this stupid fucking thing too. Every time I check it, it's loose. Eh? Like I fucking crank it on and put the thing in the fucking as hard as you fucking can, and the next time you check it, loose. Sweet, eh? But yeah, hopefully she's copacetic. The friggin' E-test dick says he's gonna be here in the morning. I don't know what time it is, but it's only 10:30, I guess. It's still morning. Yeah, I'll just fire this back together and we'll fire them up, make sure everything's copacetic, and then get the other truck E-tested and fucking stovepipe, and then we can get the fucking proper sticker and decent peony. Gotta just take my shit off here quick. Shot ya. But we got new Tramucci shirts out. If you'll notice, he's fucking suckling on a big Nelson hammer. Eh? I was gonna put ginger on there, but then it would, yeah, you wouldn't, there was not enough room. Eh? Needed more. So friggin' right. Fucking too much. He's sucking the Nelson Peony Hammer t-shirts available now. Fucking, you gotta add your own hammer with a fucking magic marker, but eh? Oh, fucking right, it's unknown caller. Let's see who this is. Decent. Buddy's coming to do the E-test. Fucking decent friggin' peony, boys. But yeah, if you act friggin' fast, if you proceed quickly, you can still get the deals on localguy.com. Yeah, still fucking spindling, eh? That's totally awesome. That's 100% awesome. But yeah, we fixed it. Oh shit, I was just slamming the hood with my golf club in the asshole there. That's gonna be my hood blinker / dick clubber, eh? Oh, I seen that light, it says door ajar. I thought, oh fuck, I got a dash light on. But yeah, I'll just let that run for a minute. We'll get the red dragon friggin' fired up here in a few. And yeah, I might as well call the trammy dick, and we'll take the red dragoon down the trammy shop, maybe. Oh my goodness, that's how much we're saucing. Look at the fishies. They put this terrible pirate skull in there, and they're all like, I quit that kind. They're all scared of it terrible. Oh my goodness. Except for these little ones, they're like, I don't even give a shit. Oh, that's funny, really bad. Big ol' one, no go. I saw this you better run. I'm gonna get you. He's not running. Maybe I should try pats his belly. Shit. Oh dear mother cigarette. Wow. 146 bucks. And I was like, oh yeah, there's no e-test. There's no e-test in April, right? They're getting rid of it. It's gonna be awesome. If you drive a car, if you drive a truck, diesel Cummins, still totally have to get it. It's supposed to be free now too. And when I went and got Rusty done, I had to pay. If you just drive a piece of shit, they don't care. No, he tests garbagey, eh? But friggin', yeah, if you got some good. But we're allowed 30. I got 2.5. Just revving the satchel off. Not too bad, not too bad. But there's the old son of a bitch there. No good. But yeah, we might fuck off. I gotta get some oil filters and some shit. I want to change the oil in the red dragoon because she's pretty black, and whole bunch of like stereo wiring, and there's all type of shit like under the hood that's got to go too. I mean, it's all they did a good job of it, you know, loomed it friggin'. And there's this friggin' hotter as frig thing in the truck too that I found. I'm not sure what that's all about, but maybe you guys know. Surely you guys will know. Oh yeah, and friggin'. That's where I wanted a hole drilled to just run wires, 0 fucks. Eh? That's totally where I wanted those run. Absolutely. How'd you know? But if you just move my horn out of the way here quick and have a look at on this thing here. It says something about thermal stovepipe. Arse coal, and if you touch this thing, it's covered in mouse shit, so I'm not, you know, overly, you know, but it looks like there's coolant lines going to and from it, and a little pump, and this box thing, it's just hot as frig, and then, oh, wow, that's pretty cool. The old melted as frig wiring, terrible. Beautiful. Just splendid, but yeah, I don't know what this is, but it's been cobble McMarmaduked, and there's all type of just broken wirings and different things happening down in there. Wow. So yeah, we'll have to give her a good gotten through, that's for sure. Hoping we can change the air. Buddy's saying that the man, that's not cool. I gotta get rid of this fucking thing. I'm gonna end up shutting the hood on it all fucking dickered. But Buddy's saying that the oil filters are different. Same for this truck, but this truck different. Except I got a whole bunch of oil filters off the guy that I got the Marmaduke from, and I totally used them on my 03. So 92, totally same as 03. Why wouldn't it be? You can't even fucking see anyways, but yeah, I mean, I'm looking with my own eye sockets and there doesn't appear to be any difference, so I don't know. But anyways, we'll get our shit together here, get some how much or something up ourselves, and go take a durst and get some some oil filters and different things and see what we can find. Well, tampon queef and burgundy socks messed me. He's got a bunch of cardboard he needs to move or something, so hook on the trailer there. We'll go get the mail and some different things and drop him off the trailer. He's a real boy. A bit of a package. Oh my goodness gracious.
I'm decked.
Oh, I'm just gonna puke. What's even going on right now? Like, well, how did they kick? Where did all this shit come from?
Santa Claus.
Oh, it was Christmas? They had a really good oh, it just reeks. I gotta shoot Sarnia and I'll come back. Alright, figure it out. Goodness fucking gracious. Well, there you go. All stickered up. Licensed, insured, sticker. Everything's good to go on the Red Dragoon except the transmission. And a bunch of wiring and different horse shit by the looks of it, but we can worry about that later on, ski, I suppose. Oh, friggin' right, it's got a little filter action. Apparently they have one that you can't use with something, but these ones you can use them all. I don't know. But we got a couple filters, got some diesel chooch, might as well. Use a friggin' peony, and we got a bunch of the Mayholes. Oh, it's some silk screen cloth. Score, sissy! Oh, it's a carbonator. Where's your carbonator? Score, sissy! Shit takes so long to get here, you forget you order it, eh? Oh, and then we got another little bit of the package. Oh, this one wasn't even fucking closed for that case. Oh! Score, sissy! I ordered them, I did. And some stanchion curds. Just a bunch of bullshit that I needed off the internet, but that's going to work for figuring out what rims fit on what. Hey, just jab that into the guy, tells you you're reading, then you know. Hey, so friggin' rights, that'll be a handy tool to have around the shop. But yeah, we just basically had a whole bunch of Amazomians that I didn't know was coming because it took so damn long to get here. But yeah, we got a couple things to dick around with there anyways, but yeah, I'm starving to death and the old lady's making me a hot chocolate. We did do a whole bunch of stuff today. I fell back on my editing, so I'm gonna go and do that. Hope you had a fucking awesome day. Mine wasn't too bad. Probably have to go with fucking tampon stink and go pick that trailer up tomorrow. But yeah, friggin' rights. New Year's is a-coming. New beginnings. Eh? New beginnings, for fuck's sakes. But anyways, for now, I gotta go get a hop shop lips and starving to death. So I'm not gonna bother the old lady until she makes me something to eat, and then we'll fucking smoke a bunch of cigarettes. But anyways, boys, finger flash, get that like button if you missed a couple bitches. But anyways, there you go, another dick about what I'm talking.
Don't the Walters get you?